Risk management for beginners in binary options. Here is the truth. Most beginners lose money in binary option, not because they don't know when to click the buy or sell button, but because they don't know how to protect their money. In this video, I'll show you the exact beginner-friendly risk management plan that can help you to survive in trading. Hey my lovelies, welcome back to Make Money with Karen, where I simplify trading and online income opportunities. If you've been following my series, we've covered what binary options are, how to place a trade, and simple strategies. Today is about something even more important: risk management. Why does risk management matter? Because without a plan, you will blow your account in days. I've seen traders who win 5 trades in a row, then lose everything on the 6th trade because they went all in. The truth is, binary options are high risk, so your goal isn't to win every trade. Is to make sure one bad trade does not destroy your account. So let's assume you have $100 in your account and you think because you have the right setup, you choose to go all in and you end up losing the entire $100, your account is back to zero. But if you choose to use risk management, what happens is, instead of placing all the $100 in your account at once, you trade with $1 or $2 per trade. That way, you have more money in your account to keep trading with. So here is the golden rule. Here are the simple rules beginners should follow. Rule number 1, risk only 1 or 2% of your amount per trade. So that means if you have $100, that means you should trade with just $1 or $2 per trade. Yes, it feels small, but it keeps you long enough to keep trading. Rule number 2, never chase losses. Oh my God. If you lose a trade, don't double the next one to make it back. For example, you place a $1 trade and it ended up being unprofitable. You now decide to use $2 to place the next trade because you want to get back the money you lost in your last trade. That is a wrong way of trading. Trust me, a lot of us have made this mistake. So it's better for you to get this information firsthand. Rule number 3, set a daily loss limit. Decide in advance, if I lose 3 trades today, I am done for the day. Walking away protects you from emotional trading. Rule number 4, use demo to practice your new strategies. Don't risk real money testing something new. Practice until you are consistent, then you can go ahead with your trading. Rule number 5, think long term. It is better to grow a $100 account slowly to $120 than to gamble it to zero in one night. So here is a plan I recommend for complete beginners. Start with a demo account. Test the strategy for at least 2 weeks so that you can get comfortable. Move to life only with money you can afford to lose. Don't go and use your house rent. You want to pay house rent tomorrow and you use your house rent, it will go. Risk 1 or 2% of your amount per trade. Stop trading after 3 losses in a day. Once you see that you've gotten 3 losses in a day, just stop trading. Focus on 2 to 3 good setups daily, not wanting to trade 20 random trades a day. No. Once you can get 2 to 3 good trades, it should be done for the day. So remember, trading isn't about winning every trade. It's about staying in the game. Risk management is what separates beginners who blow up from traders who last long enough to learn. In my next video, I'll show you how to spot the most common mistakes beginners make in binary option and how you can avoid them. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. Bye.